Hello there, Christina, again from AceVacuums. If your floors get messy fast, crumbs, pet hair, sticky spots, this is the quick guide to the Riccar R70 Deluxe Smart Mop and Vacuum. What it does, who it's best for, warranty basics, and how it compares to Shark-style vacuum mop combos. The Riccar R70 Deluxe is a hard floor cleaning machine designed for dry pickup plus wet cleaning in a simpler routine. It's built for tile, vinyl, laminate, and sealed hardwood, especially kitchens, dining areas, and entryways. What is the Riccar R70 Deluxe Smart Mop and Vacuum designed to do? It's designed for hard floor maintenance cleaning, combining dry debris pickup with wet cleaning in a simpler routine. What types of floors work best with the R70 Deluxe? Tile, vinyl, laminate, and sealed hardwood. Always follow your flooring manufacturer's care guidelines. Is the Riccar R70 Deluxe meant for thick carpet? It's primarily a hard floor solution. If you have lots of carpet, pair it with a dedicated carpet vacuum. Is it good for pet hair on hard floors? Yes, especially for daily pickup in pet zones and high traffic areas. Can it help with sticky kitchen messes? It's great for light, everyday grime. For heavier spills, do a quick pre-wipe first. Does it replace a traditional vacuum? In mostly hard floor homes, it can cover most daily needs. Many households still keep a regular vacuum for rugs and deep cleans. What does deluxe usually mean? It often implies a more complete bundle or upgraded features, accessories. Confirm included items based on the seller listing. How often should I use it for best results? Quick daily passes in kitchens, entryways keep floors consistently clean. Weekly, deeper cleanse can still help in busy homes. What basic maintenance keeps performance strong? Keep pads clean, replace or clean filters as recommended, and avoid letting debris build up in airflow paths. Why does performance drop over time in vacuum mop machines? Most commonly from dirty pads, restricted filters, or clogged airflow paths, maintenance restores performance. How does it compare to Shark vacuum mop combos? Shark models are widely available and convenient. Riccar is typically positioned as dealer-supported, which can be better for long-term guidance and service. Which is better for busy families? If you have mostly hard floors, the R70 style routine can be a big time saver for daily mess. What warranty does it come with? Warranty varies by where you buy it and promotions. Keep proof of purchase and register if offered. What issues are commonly excluded from warranty? Often wear items, misuse, and issues caused by clogs or improper maintenance. Coverage depends on the manufacturer policy. Who is the best buyer for the Riccar R70 Deluxe? Homes with hard floors, pets, kids, frequent kitchen mess, and people who want easy daily maintenance cleaning. Who should skip it? Homes dominated by thick carpet or buyers who want one machine to deep clean everything equally. Is it a good choice for VA/DC/MD customers? Yes, buy it from AceVacuums retail stores, especially if you want in-store guidance and long-term support. Is it a good choice for online USA customers? Yes, if you want a hard floor maintenance solution shipped to your home, order from AceVacuums for free delivery with guidance on choosing the right setup.